We are Vietnamese students. Our group have two members. My name is吴氏青竹and my friend is阮黄庆媚. Today I will talk about our thesis. About our topic is Vietnamese cashew nut industry and analysis of Taiwan market. We have table content of 4 parts. The first one is introduction. About the introduction, because today the world market is opening up great robust along with the policy of opening has created favorable conditions for agricultural export to develop. Currently on the world market of cashew nuts, Vietnam is very important, accounting for 1/6 of the world cashew market, and cashew nuts is considered one of Vietnam's 10 key export crops. This facilitates the export of cashew in Vietnam to other countries, especially a potential market such as Taiwan. About the introduction research objective, we want to give the necessary information for importing Vietnam cashew nuts into Taiwan market. We use using 4B strategy marketing model, BEST model. Besides this one, we want to solving Vietnamese cashew nut export problem by creating brand name, purchasing and distributing of cashew nut in Vietnam. After my thesis, you can get the knowledge about business management and marketing. Importing and exporting have to develop the economy of a country, providing training of formal education, and have to know how to developing cashew industry in Vietnam. This one is application 4B of theory. The first one is provide product to consumer and cashew nuts constantly innovative product to suit the needs of customer. Different types of cashew nuts for export are based on the apple tree group classification machine according to the recipe of vision, stringing, and hand classification to be able to produce raw cashew kernel, salted cashew nuts have quality. We have 4 types. Here is the side brand, the size, color, and nutrition. We need to spay on 4 types to choose the cashew nuts. And the next one is rice. Raw cashew rice reflects to the balance between supply and demand and are directly correlated with the kernel prices. And additional factor influencing the raw cashew price based by processor in it to the disposal of regular supplies sufficient inventory of raw material the year round. And this is a Vietnam cashew price in 1911 and in 2011 to 2016. And you can see this one, the rise of Vietnam cashew to round every year. And this display in marketing smith refer to the product that will be distributed at location where customer can use its service. Cashew can be sold at small supermarkets and even a grocery store. But now you know at the internet round, cashew nut provide product in online store like this one. And the last one is promotion. The goal of promotion is to get export for the product, bring seller into contact with potential buyers and convince them of seller capability and quality. Personal selling increase the trend to create strong relationship with buyer and can be supported by promotion material. Bring their product to other countries such as Europe and America to promote export of cashew nut to a world market. And this one about the SWOT analysis from Vietnam market to Taiwan market. We have trends like quality product, beautiful design, competitive prices, rich transaction, professional, honest reputation, and the necessary condition to succeed when penetrating into the Taiwan market. Also, we also have the weakness because the import state of our country is still high compared to other countries in the industry. About the opportunity, the retail supermarket system is expanding to create a professional distribution channel for the product beside the representative of fish introducing the company product. About the risk, raw cashew nuts imported to exporter to Vietnam do not develop cashew processing technology, and instead in the industry in the process of importing raw material may not meet standard. And domestic raw material will reduce the price tag of the brand of Vietnam. And after we have the result and finding about the cashew nut industry in Vietnam and in Taiwan. Cashew nut export from Vietnam to Taiwan. You can see cashew export in the first 10 months of 2017 of Vietnam to Taiwan reaches $70.9 million, up 6.5% over the same period in 2016. In October 2017, you can see export of cashew nut reaches 2.6 million, up 40.9% over September 27 and up 35.1% over October 2016. And next one. And next one is the tree nuts in Taiwan around the total import in 2015 to 2018. And this is what Taiwan import cashew nut from the world, because Taiwan don't have the product about the tree nut, especially the cashew nut, also import another country around the world. And this one in 2015 and 2018, the kilogram and the import to Taiwan is very high. And this one is Taiwan import cashew nut from Vietnam. You can see the year from 2012 to 2015, Taiwan is Vietnam's fifth largest trading partner, accounting for 4.5% of Vietnam's total export volume. Vietnam is always a trade deficit in trade relations between the two sides. And then finally, we want to talk about a conclusion and recommendation. About the conclusion, the purpose of Thesis, we want to evaluate the volatility of Vietnam cashew nut product in Taiwan market, and also we want to ensure the position of cashew nut in Vietnam, creating confidence for importers in Taiwan. Want to find out and show the problem of brand, how to buy the appropriate age cashew to create the best product to consumer. And the last one, we want to forget the Vietnamese cashew nuts brand in Taiwan as well, how to find the long-term partner. About the limitation, because we cannot show the rollout of weather and disturbed from natural conditions. And about the recommendation, about the products, we want to guarantee food safety conditions, want to open the variety of cashew nut in Taiwan, like the supermarket. We know Taiwan have a lot of supermarket like the PS Mart and RT supermarket. And about the rice, we want to product my product is cheaper than other competitor on Taiwan. About the place, expand more supply chains. And the last one, promotion. We want to advertising in the website, in internet, and on the TV. Maybe have the importer and exporter had to successful to find the cashew nut. Thank you for listening. This is the end of our thesis.